Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I do makeup reviews, hauls, and project pan. Everything you will find out in this channel. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is a part 2, and oh my god, I have some makeup regrets of 2021, the product that I have tried in 2021, and they are my regrets. Some of them are new launches, some are not new launches, so yeah, and some are old purchases. And finally in 2021 I realized, what was I doing? If I can go back and tell my younger self, I will be like, don't buy these products. So yeah, if you want to know what are my regrets for 2021, keep on watching. So finally I've decided to declutter this, and oh my god, if I can go back with a time traveling machine or something, I will tell my younger self what was I doing, why I was using this. Oh my god, it's not a nice product. So oh my god, it's not nice. Okay, I have better BB creams, sheer coverage, makeup. Especially in 2021 there were beautiful launches. If you want the review of sheer coverage foundation, and you can check my videos, I will do again a video about foundation. And I regret this, and I don't, if I can go back with time traveling, I will tell my younger self, don't buy this, don't apply this. It's not cute. It's not that flattering. I don't know, it's look makeupy. It does not look that cute, and yeah, I don't like it now. Before this I was using this. It's not a very bad product, but I don't like the finish, the way this sits on skin. You can tell it's not the best sheer coverage makeup out there. There are better sheer coverage makeup in 2021 with better shade range, 1 or 2 shades. Total disaster. Okay, another this is the Biotic all day foundation. This is also a very sheer coverage makeup, and no, not cute, not cute at all. Oh my god, this is a disaster. Where to begin with? And Biotic moisturizers and stuff I don't think their skincare is anything beneficial for skin because of the ingredients. They hide their ingredients, and I don't want to support them. In future I will not buy Biotic. I will just use up, and they are not disclosing all of their ingredients. So yeah, we can talk that about all that things later. About this foundation, this to be honest, this is itna I have used. How? I have tried this multiple ways. I have tried with a brush, I have tried with beauty blender, and I have not tried with the hands. That also I can give it a shot, but I don't care. The reason this is halfway use is because of project pan. I do project pan, so I was forcing myself, but oh my god, this just spills. This just spills around here, literally balls of foundation, and I was like, what the heck? Total disappointment. I was so disappointed. It is not a cute foundation, to be honest, and there are so many better foundation around this price point. Okay, Mars BB cream is far better than all these things, so better shade range. It's a total disaster basically. By the way, Myntra end of season sale, I purchased this, so, and a lot of clothes, so that parcel is yet to arrive. I have just this sweater right now, and yeah, I will do that review if you are wondering about the sweater and all. And this video is coming up, okay, coming up after 2021. Okay, that will arrive like 31st. Of course I'm not making video at 31st. So that's that. Okay, now another thing which I have to finally in 2021 decided to declutter. I know I am not going to use this, and Lakme itself is moved on with their life, and not I never see anyone promoting this kind of foundation in 2021. And if I can go back and tell my younger self, I will like, don't buy this. Okay. So yeah, it's a regret purchase. I don't use it at all. I was using this in college, and better shade range, better formula makeup in 2021 around that price point is so much better. You can check my videos around 200 rupees makeup product that are so good. Okay, now this is not product's fault, I guess. I don't know. I was not able to use this one. So this is the Color Essence Compact, and frankly speaking, I have not used this because see, it's way too dark on me, but itna bhi dark nahi hai that I can use this as a bronzer. So this is the situation with this one. I'm like so confused. It's a very yellow toned dark powder on me, so I'm like I'm thinking about doing one thing. I have another product, another powder which is a regret, because that is pink undertone. So I think I will crush and mix both of them and repress them together. Maybe I will custom create my shade. I don't know. I never tried it because it's like way too off for my skin tone. See, it clashes, like literally looking very weird on my skin. I have never used this because of the shade, honestly, and yeah, so it's a regret because of the shade, not because formula I was not able to test because of this yellow powder. I'm like way too yellow and dark on me. So that's, but itna bhi dark nahi hai that I can use that as contour, you know. So that's that. Now if you ask me, the biggest regret of 2021 is this. So this is the Dr. World Lip and Cheek Tint, and this retails for $12.99. Yep, I'm not making this up.
Are you kidding me?
This originally retails for $12.99. I don't want to pay 10 rupees for this. Oh my god, this is a disaster, you guys. And see, I've tried. You tried to use in some way. It's dried. It's dried. It's a disaster, you guys. It's a disaster. And yeah, now no, nothing, zero pigment. And you know, this resells for 1299, 1300 rupees. I bought this for 300 rupees. Where is the pigment? It's all dried. It's a mess. It's a mess. Who created this? It's a very gimmicky product. And I was like, Dr. World. So I've heard so much about Dr. Earth, and I was like, this is a new brand, let's just give it a shot, and I regret it. It's a disaster. Like मैं ये किसी को भी नहीं दे सकती, कोई भी क्या करेगा इसका. Zero pigment. Oh my god. पहले इसमें कुछ pigment था, but it's like zero pigment. Oh my god. It's a disaster. Okay, another Blue Heaven products regret. And now Blue Heaven is a very inexpensive brand, so I'm like, let's just try this, and this one's 67 rupees when I bought this. Yep, you heard it right. So I tried this blush. Oh my god, see the texture. क्या हो रहा है इसमें? I will try to insert a close up because यहाँ lights इतनी हैं. Oh my god. And the texture is looking gross. The shade is so pretty. It's a pretty peach blush, but it's so chunky. I don't mind sheeny blush, but this has chunks and it looks very weird on skin. Like, I will not recommend you. And there are so many beautiful blushes like this NY Bay one, 150 rupees is so good. And you know, buy this instead of this any times. This is such a disastrous product. I regret it. I regret it so much. And oh my god, even if it's 60 rupees, I don't want to waste my money, you know. There's no point of wasting your money. So I'm like so disappointed with this one as well, because the shade is so pretty and it saturates all of your pores and texture, which I don't have that much pores, but if I will apply this, every texture will, you know, emphasize the texture which you don't know you have. This will emphasize that also. It's a very disastrous one. Okay, now a category which I don't think so I will even buy and even think about buying is blush palettes. Like blush palettes, I'm talking about blush palettes. Okay, not the contour, highlighter and blush thing, that is different. Blush palette, because let me just tell you, see, it's like so weird. Like these shades, see, these are like eyeshadow. These are very pigmented and bubblegum pinks. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bubblegum pinks, red, The only shade is this is a really pretty shade. This is a mauvey shade, a very deeper mauve. So maybe this palette will work if you have deeper complexion. On me, only this shade works. I can use this as eyeshadow, and I have to literally keep this all the time in project pan because I will use the mauve shade. And if I have bought this, let's just get some money's worth of it. This one like 380 rupees. I will recommend if you have deeper complexion, then only try it. If you have fair to medium complexion, don't try it. Only for deeper complexion this is a good, and that too if you are into such blush shades. These are like quite a lot of dramatic blush shade, good for blush draping and those editorial looks. But if you want something for everyday, nah. And that's why I have decided I will not buy blush palette. Okay, I will not. I don't use them. I forget. I just don't use them. So blush palettes are a no-no. I will not buy a blush palette. Only single blushes. And yeah, that's that. So yeah, I hope you like this video. These are all of my 2021 makeup purchase regrets. Some were in purchase in 2021. Some of them I started realizing that in 2021 when I'm like doing project planning, shop my stash, then I'm like, I'm not using these products. I have to literally force myself for using these products. And some of these are not working for skin tone reason, skin type reason, but some of the products are not good at all. Like this, this concealer, it's I don't think so. This foundation will not work on anybody. Okay, it's pilling. This blush, I don't think so it will look good on anybody. Okay, maybe if you have flawless skin, I don't know who will use that. So yeah, these were all the regrets of 2021. And just wanted to make this video so that you will not end up wasting money like I did. So that's the only reason I'm doing this video. No shade to any brand, I don't hate, I love these brand. It's not about brand, it's about the products. Okay, some products will not work, some will work. So that's that. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like this video. Thanks for watching my videos. I really appreciate that. And yeah, I shall see you in my next one.